Just because you can't deadlift super heavy with a barbell doesn't mean you should deadlift at all. We need to quit complexing what a deadlift actually is. A deadlift is simply hinging from your body at your hips, so you're pushing your butt back to slowly bend down and pick something up off the ground. If you've been told that deadlifting is bad for your back, well, guess what? Anytime you bend over to pick up literally anything, that's technically bad for your back. It's bad for your back if you're bending over to pick up a pencil. It's bad for your back if you're bending over to pick up some laundry on the floor, right? It doesn't matter if that's really the argument we have. So instead of demonizing the deadlift, we just need to think about our own capability levels. We might not be able to lift up a barbell today with a bunch of weight on it. That's okay. It doesn't need to be super heavy weights. Maybe right now you can only deadlift a pencil off the ground. If that's your strength level, go for it. Don't beat yourself up over it. There's a lot of people in physical therapy right now who that's probably their level because they can barely do deadlifts without hurting their back with zero weight at all. Maybe you're up to a point where you can start picking up kind of heavier boxes up off the ground. That's great too, but it's super crucial to practice this functional movement because, like a squat where we get out of a chair, we do this exercise every single day. And if you don't practice it every single day, that is what leads a lot of people to injuring their back, hurting themselves when they move stuff. It's because they're so scared of doing the movement to begin with, they don't do it at all. And then the second they need to do it, their body isn't strong enough to do the movement. It just doesn't make sense. Ideally, we would get you up to a point where you are deadlifting pain free, right? But that doesn't always happen right off the bat, especially for a lot of the older adults I work with as well. Sometimes for them, a good starting place is literally just practicing doing this bending over position, practicing doing the hinge back and forth, back and forth. Let's quit overcomplicating this and make sure we are doing some type of deadlifts. Go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel. We help individuals of all abilities improve their overall health and knowledge of the gym. And once you're done doing that, I made a video about squatting right here, which really goes into what no one tells you about squatting. So once you're done with this video, go ahead and click on over there and we get some good information on that one as well. So see you over there.